Hi, good morning. Let's conclude this chapter today. That means we can check or we can go through the question and answer section. So let's start with the one word questions. Which are the areas coming in this lesson? Let's go through that first. Ashwamedha Yaga, the type of election conducted by Janapada Rajas or Mahajanapada Rajas. This was the a type of election that were conducting for accessing into power. And the next area is the Varna system, the four sections of the people under Hindu society, divided by the priests at that time into two upper class and two lower class, that is Brahmanas and Kshatriyas as upper class and Vaishyas and Shudras as lower class. Next area is important Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. There were means what are the conditions necessary for being a Janapada into a Mahajanapada? Three conditions were there. Which are they? Yes, a fortified city, means the presence of fortified cities means forts were made for what to ensure security and to prevent the foreign attack. Yes, external attack. And fortified city should be there for a Janapada, capital city should be there, and maybe keeping or they have to keep a large standing or well arranged army with them. Such Janapadas can be termed as Mahajanapadas. And next one, it is the agricultural development under later Vedic period. Agricultural development, two things should be noted here. One is the use of iron plowshare in the agricultural field. Another one it is transplantation. By the use of these two technology, by these two techniques and technology, the agricultural production naturally was found to be developed or increased. Transplantation means two times the planting of the same plant. Same sapling is called transplantation to increase the production. And iron plowshare using also increased noticeable increment in the agricultural production. Next area was important Mahajanapadas at that time. Vajji, Magadha, both are in Bihar. Then Kuru, then Vaishali, Panchali, sorry, not Vaishali, Panchala, Kosala, etc. Kuru, Avanti, Gandhara, etc. These were the important Mahajanapadas, and we were going deeply through this area. Which one? Yes, two Mahajanapadas that is found to be more developed at that time. First one it is Vajji and second one it is Magadha. Both were situating in present day Bihar. Vajji's capital city was, tell me, yes, Vaishali in Bihar, and they were ruled by not one king, a group of rulers. Next one, it is Magadha. Magadha is also situated in Bihar, present day Bihar, and their capital city were two. First of all, it was Rajagriha in Bihar, and nextly, it was converted from Rajagriha to another part of Bihar, that is Pataliputra. And the presence of river Ganges or river Ganga and the tributary of Ganga also enriched their culture and cultivation and thereby standard of life. Which what were the names of these rivers? Yes, river Ganges and river Sun. And the river water was useful in three ways at that time. Which are they? Yes, for supplying water, then for agricultural production or for increasing fertility of soil, and lastly it was used for transportation purpose, means the moving of goods and people from one place to another place. These were the important area, and two important rulers in Magadha that also should be highlighted: Bimbisara and Ajata Shatru. These were the two rulers. Okay, let's start with the certain important question answers. Okay, first of all, election. What are the differences of election? That is coming in the textbook itself. Yes, election was Ashwamedha Yaga. Who was the central character or central figure in Ashwamedha Yaga? Naturally, it was Raja to declare their power which they were conducting such yajna or sacrifices or sacrifice. And Ashwamedha Yaga, who were all invited, that's very important. All the sections of the people were not at all given invitation for participating in such rituals. Only courtiers people or Rajas people and the other nobles or other Rajas of neighboring country, etc. were invited. Not at all inviting dasas and dasis and the other women. Okay, these sections of the people were excluded from these rituals. Okay, so and next one it is Varna system, which are the Varna we have already told, right? Okay, then important Janapadas also told. Now let's move to the question answer session in or section in your textbook. Listen very carefully. State whether these are true or false. Number one, Rajas who led the Ashwamedha host passed through their lands were invited to sacrifice. Rajas in the neighboring lands were invited or no? That is the question. Yes or no? Yes, definitely the answer is right. Yes. Next one, the charioteer sprinkled sacred water on the face of the king. Was it done by charioteer? Are you sure? Not at all. Sprinkling of sacred water in the face of this king was done by whom you know? By the priest. Next question is archaeologists have found palaces in the settlement of Janapadas. You know that in early Vedic period, that is Vedic period, palaces could not be seen. Rajas were not leading such a comfortable life, facilitated life. It was started in later Vedic period. So palaces was the Raja started living in palaces. So this is also right statement. Next one, pots to store grains were made out of painted clay. In your book you could see a picture of a pot. That pot, the color is it was painted with the grey color. What these pots might have been used by this Raja people or king people or courtiers people. You know, it was used for at this time of special occasion to serve special food. But here what is written, you know, pots to store grain. No. This grey ware or pots were not used for keeping grains. Next question, many cities in Mahajanapadas were fortified. Is it right or wrong? Cities in Mahajanapadas were seen in surrounded by forts. Right or wrong? Yes, it is right. Next question. Last page of this lesson. Fill in the chart given below with the terms hunter, gatherers, farmers, traders, croppers, and herders. These were the sections of the people who were paying tax. Answer is also there. You can just fill it out. Who were the groups who could not participate in the assembly of Ganapada? Who were the groups who were excluded from participating all the important events, you know? Yes, dasas and dasis and women. Dasas, dasis and women. They were not allowed to participate in rituals also, right? Okay, next question. Why did the Rajas of Mahajanapadas build forts? Why they were building forts? To ensure security and to show their power. To ensure security and to show the power, kings were building certain forts around certain cities. Next question. In what ways present day election is different from the election that is used or utilized by Janapada rulers? That is called what? What is the type of election they were following? Ashwamedha. What is the difference, can you say? One is democratic, one is not democratic. Which one is democratic and which one is not democratic? The election conducted through Ashwamedha Yaga by Janapada Rajas were democratic or not? Not at all democratic. It is one way. Okay. But nowadays the present day election is will be or is a democratic election. Another one, what about voters? In present day election, all the people above 18 are given voting right, but in the case of this Ashwamedha Yaga, certain people only were invited for this function, which were the people, Rajas and Kottes people, who were excluded, who were not invited. Dasas, Dasis, and other ladies or women were not included. Then important decisions. What about the participation of important decision at that time in the time of Mahajanapada or later period? Important decision nowadays will be taken by or we will get a part to play in the important decisions of the government under democratic system. What about the system followed by Mahajanapadas? Yes, what they were willing, they were executing as the principles or laws. No more role for the people or common people. Okay. Next question, let's do. Let's do is not at all needed, I believe. Why did the Rajas of Manavala, no, that's what he told. In what ways present day election and other election also we have talked now. Then let's do questions are not at all needed. Let me believe all these areas are clear for it. Just you are revising this area. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.